It's even colder today than it was yesterday, but I wouldn't give up my love for hiking for anything.
I need to go further and find the best spot for hiking. Let's go! But why do I feel like someone is down there? I'm hearing some really strange noises. Maybe I should go and check. Oh no, a little kitten is right on the edge of the mountain. I have to act fast and rescue her.
I'm about to fall from here! Please, somebody help me. Someone look this way and save me. I'm slipping, but I should try to climb up myself. My paws were hurting so much. I made it to the top, but how do I get to safety from here? Please, someone help me. I just want to go home.
I think I'll have to go up there myself. I'm getting ready quickly, and I won't stop until I've helped her! Oh my god, it's really slick here. I must keep going, even though I know I have to get right to the edge of the cliff. I'm almost there, little one. Don't worry, I will save you. I can see the kitten clearly from here. I have a rope in my backpack and I can finally help her. I'm tying a towel to the rope. I'll try to get the kitty to sit on it so I can pull her up.
I don't know if this girl wants to help me or not, but maybe if I sit on this, I can finally go home.
Oh, finally, you're safe, kitty. I am so happy.
Don't worry, I'm taking you to the doctor. There's nothing to be afraid of anymore.
Your leg is broken, but you will be completely okay now. You will be back to normal in 3 or 4 days. Good kitty.